Thinking gutter cleaning? Call in the experts. LeafVac is Melbourne's #1 roof and gutter cleaning company, employing safety-trained, qualified roof tilers. Our professional crews will use powerful vehicle-mounted vacuum machines to pull out leaves, dirt and debris from those gutters and downpipes, leaving them absolutely clean. Vacuum gutter cleaning is the quickest, cheapest and no-nonsense way to clean gutters and downpipes. Cleaning is carried out by using flexible hoses attached to heavy-duty vacuum cleaners mounted on our small utes and trucks. Our experienced workers find the safest way to access the gutters and vacuum away every last straw and pebble, dirt, debris and leaves from your gutters. There may be hundreds of roof cleaning companies in Melbourne, but LeafVac distinguishes itself through its modern equipment, high safety measures and committed to customer satisfaction. Thanks to our experienced workers and our latest gutter cleaning machinery, we can offer you the best quality of workmanship and services. Here's a few more reasons to work with us. No hassles, no mess, no time wastage. We respect your property and privacy. We use industrial strength vacuum equipment and all the work is carried out by qualified roof tilers. If your gutters are overdue for a clean, leave it to the experts. Phone us today on 04 55 gutter or go to our website www.leafvac.com.au.